how to save audio from WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you save audio from WhatsApp on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp app on your iPhone. After you open WhatsApp, you will get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to open the conversation from where you want to download the audio. After you open the conversation, if you see any kind of files that says like document or direct kind of files, you can simply get the options for download. If you not find that, simply tap and hold that. After you tap and hold, simply tap on forward. After you tap on that, at the bottom right, tap on share icon. From here, simply tap on the option save audio. In my case, I'm getting the option save video as this is the video, but this process is same as well as for the audio. Simply from there, tap on the option save audio. After you tap on that, you'll be able to save that audio on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.